left you trying to get this cash right, act right, or you live.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because today we are talking about a new product from Milk Makeup, and it is their new KUSH mascara. Now this is like an unboxing and me trying it out, review, all that good stuff, because I legit haven't taken it out the box yet. It came yesterday. I was super excited because anything has to do with KUSH, marijuana, sour, that dank, anything you consider it, I'm like all for it. I'm a smoker. The only thing I did cut off was this holographic tape that they have here, but I never opened the box. Haven't fidgeted with it, so this is completely first impressions, and I'm gonna try it out for you guys, so let you guys know what I think. So yeah, let's jump into it. So the last Milk Makeup purchase I did was the Sunshine Skin Tint, which I wear every now and then just because it's really hard for me to switch from my NARS tinted moisturizer because I am like obsessed with it. I wear it like every single day, so it's kind of hard for me to switch up, but I do like their Sunshine Skin Tint. It's really nice. Let's open this bad boy up. It comes in this you know, gray kind of box, very ordinary, and it says live your look. Okay, let's do it. I shall live my look, Milk. It comes with a card here that has like some samples on it of their Blur Liquid Matte Foundation, which I've heard that had really good reviews, but I guess I'll try it. They have golden sand here, so that's good. A nice tan color. That's thoughtful. They had a light, medium, and a dark color, so you could try it. That's really cool. Definitely try that. Ooh, and it comes in like this little Ziploc. It reminds me a little bit of a Glossier, except it's not bubble wrap, but that's nice. And this little card with this really beautiful woman on it with super nice eyebrows. Oh, and stickers. What? Don't give me stickers because I go crazy like a freaking kid. But it came with little stickers. See? It's cute. Can't wait to use these. That's really dope. Cool. We turn it around. This is the exciting part. So they have a promotion right now where if you buy the KUSH mascara, you get the roll and blot papers for free. So that's what I got. So let's open this bad boy up. Roll and blot papers for free. I'm excited because I finished my blotting papers. Usually I get the ones from e.l.f. They're $1 and they're so good. You get like $1 for like 25 sheets or 30 sheets. It's really good. I'm really happy to get another one. And plus I don't roll paper, so I won't use it to roll, but I guess I'll try it. Why not? Open this. This is cute. Unbleached hemp papers on skin to remove excess oil and shine. I do like the fact that it's like a paper type of thing. It's like a paper type of little casing. Oh wow. Oh, I like how they have this like papers. Interesting. I like this here. I definitely will be throwing this in my bag like right after this video just so I can always have it handy. So this is really cool. Plus this retails for $10. So the fact that you're getting it for free with free shipping, I think is a really good promotion that they're running. So that's really cool. Alright, so oh my gosh, look how pretty. I mean, like, seriously, you guys, look how pretty this is. Like, it's gorgeous. So it says, let's see here. Unique heart-shaped fibers, thickened lashes for long-lasting volume, length, and curl. High volume, puff brush, naturally lit. Okay. And this is in the color Boom, which is their black color. They don't have another shade. It's just Boom. Boom, bow. So let's open this up. I really like the packaging. It's like silver. It's kind of heavy. I really like it. It's nice. I don't want to break it, but I'm about to break this. How do I get it out of here? It's so hard to, I don't want to break it, but I have to break it. Finally, I got it open. Okay. Oh. Look at it, you guys. Like, what in... Not only is it heavy, like heavy, but it's huge. It's huge. It's almost as fat as my joints. Look how gorgeous this is. I really like this packaging. This packaging is dope. It's heavy, it's chrome, it's silver. Like, what? Now let's crack this open and get to the good stuff, because this is the marijuana oil up in here, right? I thought I would talk about it on the packaging. Oh no, it does. See, cannabis oil nourishes and conditions for healthier looking lashes in one hit. One hit. 2 hits. 3 hits. No, I'm joking. Let me stop. But no, I definitely don't just put like 1 coat. I'm gonna definitely put like 2 coats of this. Let me open it. I wanna see what the brush looks like, right? Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh, I like the brush. It reminds me of the Maybelline Colossal. It looks basic, but it's like yeah, it's like bristly. It kind of smelled like bud, but it doesn't. It does not smell like bud. It's made with cannabis oil instead of beeswax, so it could be vegan friendly for our vegan girls out here. It says that it's supposed to boost lashes, volumize lashes, all that good stuff. So it says 95% so high volume. 95% so longer lashes, 90% so thicker lashes, 90% so lifted lashes. So it's claiming a lot here. We're going to put that to the test right now. I mean, it is $24. For me, it's a bit pricey because I buy my favorite mascara, which is the Rimmel, what is it called? Rimmel something. And it's like, it usually comes in a 2-pack at Target, and it's really cheap and it's great. It's like a hidden gem. I love it. The $24 for a mascara for me is like, that's a splurge. Although my favorite mascara is the Lancome Hypnosis. I love that mascara, but I don't really buy it like that because it's expensive. So this was a little bit of a splurge for myself. Plus it said KUSH. I had to. I mean, come on, I had to. I'm a smoker. I had to like investigate this product. Yeah, let's put it to the test now. My Tarte Kiss and Blush palette here, just because it has a really nice mirror. Plus it's pretty on camera. Look how pretty it's pink. But yeah, it has a really big mirror. And I am wearing the Kiss and Blush lip color right here. This is the color in Saucy that I'm wearing on my lips right now. Oh, hi pimple that doesn't want to go away. How are you? But anyway, let's try this out. I'm a little bummed it doesn't smell like weed, I'm not gonna lie. I like the brush. I lied. I thought it was a bristle brush. It's not a bristle brush. It's kind of plastic bristles, so you gotta be a little careful. This is after 1 coat. It's honestly not that bad after 1 coat. Like, it's pretty good for just 1 coat. Now, because I typically don't wear just 1 coat of mascara, I'm gonna go and swipe on the 2nd coat before it dries down. And it builds up quite nicely. I'll definitely say that. Build up quite nicely. You do need to be a little careful, because the formula is a bit creamy, so just be careful because it can get a little messy. This is after 2 coats, well, like 2 or 3 coats, I don't want to lie. It's nice and thick. I do like it. It is a little on the creamier side, so you gotta be careful. Especially like for me, sometimes I get a little messy and I like touch my eyelid or it just starts going crazy. So you gotta be a little careful. It is pretty wet of a formula, but I kind of like wetter formulas because I feel like it gives you a longer time to get the desired look that you want. It's drying really quickly and then you're like, oh, I can't even put more coats. It turns into spider legs and like you're dealing with all that. So after like 2 or 3 coats, it really does look nice. And after the first coat, you definitely see like a really good difference. So I'm digging it. I'm about to do the other eye now, so I won't look crazy, but I'm definitely digging it so far. So hello pimple again. I don't like you on my face. Okay, that's 1 coat, 2 coats. 1 coat, 2 coats. So as you can see, see what I'm saying? Like I get messy. It's really good. So I'm gonna put, that's just 1 coat on my left eye. There's about 2 to 3 coats on my right eye. So I'm gonna put 1 more coat or 2 more coats on my left eye, just so I can match what I got going on my right. So far, so good. Whoa. Honestly, you guys, this mascara is crazy. The volume, and this is like 2 coats. I definitely did 3 coats on my right eye, but I only did 2 coats on this side. And look. Now, don't mind the smudgies and stuff. Usually I clean those up. the volume you get. I'm liking this. This is like $24 well spent, to be honest with you. I'm really happy with the results because, I mean, it was claiming a lot. And sometimes you're like, oh, is it all hype? Is it because there's KUSH in the name? You know what I mean? Like, so you didn't know if it was all just like for marketing purposes. But after trying it, honestly, this is like pretty freaking good. And a big tube. It's a big, really like heavy, nice tube. So I mean, like, if I see this in my bag, I'm like, oh my god, it's so pretty. You know what I'm saying? So on top of being pretty, it's effective. It works really well. It goes on really nicely, gives me the effect that I want. It's a great packaging, so I have no issues with it. And it doesn't feel crispy. Like, my lashes don't feel crispy. They just feel soft. So that's also a plus. I don't like when lashes are like crispy, and like, I don't like that. But they still feel very soft, so I don't know. I like it. I feel like it was definitely something worth trying. So yeah, this retails for $24. You can get this on their website. I'm not sure if it's in stores. I don't know. I know Sephora does sell Milk makeup products. I'm not sure if it's in stores though. But they are running the promotion that if you do get the KUSH mascara, not only do you get free shipping, you also do get a free roll and blot. So honestly, 2 products, price of 1, free shipping. Pretty good deal. So I would suggest you guys go on and try it, and definitely get this free roll and blot too. It's a $10 value. Why not? And everybody needs blotting papers, and you know, if you're a smoker like myself and you do roll papers, I don't roll papers, but if you do roll papers, it's pretty cool for multi-purpose use like that. So very thoughtful milk, very thoughtful. I'm digging this, guys. I suggest you guys definitely run out and go check it out. If you're a smoker, you like anything to do with sour, KUSH, that stank, whatever it is that you call your bud, I might as well try it, right? Why not? Do it for the culture. Do it for the culture. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have tried this product. Let me know any other milk makeup products that you guys recommend for me to try, because I'll buy it. Alright guys, take care. See you in my next video.